Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete a power plan in Windows 10. If you want to remove unused power settings and keep your system organized, this tutorial is for you. On your Windows 10 desktop, all we need to do is click the Windows icon and then go to Settings. Once we are in Settings, type Power Plan in the Find Settings search bar. From here, look for and click on Edit Power Plan. This will open the Edit Plan page. As you can see, this is the current plan. If we want to delete this plan, all we need to do is restore it to its default settings. Once it is set back to default, Windows will delete the plan for us. This works the same way across Windows and Windows 10. Now, all we need to do is click Save Changes so everything is applied to the system. This is a simple way to manage and remove custom power plans in Windows 10, helping us clean up unnecessary power profiles and keep only the settings we actually use. That's it. Now we know how to delete a power plan in Windows 10.